Please introduce yourself.
My name is Abigail G. Vergara, 25 years old, married to Ermarisco Joey Vergara, 25 years old. I have 3 children, 4 years old, 3 years old, 1 year, 4 months old. I have 1 brother. I am the eldest among the family. I'm not afraid of dog and pets. I don't have experience working in other country, but I have experience working here in the Philippines. I took care of my children since birth and took care of elderly 73 years old for 2 years. I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
If you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother.
Do you like to work with other maids?
Yes, madam. I like to work with other maids.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
It's okay for me if my employer will fix my holiday.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. To my future employer, if you will hire me, you will not regret. I will do my best to serve you. I am responsible and hardworking. Thank you, madam.